This 2021 Prime Time Avenger 28 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in West Seneca, New York, 14224 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Buffalo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Prime Time is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.